What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is Tuesday and it is freezing cold outside. It is like 6 degrees outside. So what I want to do today is actually see if I can do something inside the house, and I think I have the perfect idea slash thing that I need to do that can be done inside. So coming over here to the car, you can see this nasty air intake filter, but we have the cleaning stuff for it from the Precision, I forgot what it's called, but it was Precision Cleaning from BMS, which is actually the air filter, which is from BMS Motorsports. But all you really have to do is take it off with that. I believe it's a 10 mil or even just a flathead screw right there. You should be able to pull it off. After that, you just take all these plus this tool that they gave you to re-oil it, and you should be set. So we're gonna go ahead and wash this and show you guys the process and show you guys the complete difference that it's gonna make. Take a look at this closely. So hopefully it doesn't get the glare. So as you guys can see, it's pretty dusty all over the place, and the color is a little bit faded and just overall dirty. There's some cobwebs and fucking shit all over. So first, what we're gonna do is spray it down with some cleaner. We're gonna go ahead and just put this on and just spray it down. And then you gotta let it sit for like 5 or 10 minutes, I believe, and then rinse and then let that dry. And then you add this into here to your specific model. I know this is for the N55, so I have to put about approximately 33 grams. I believe that's what it is. And then you go through here with your tool and you reapply it all throughout. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the before and after. And there's nothing left but to get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying this down and start cleaning it. Just like that, she's all washed and rinsed. In my opinion, it looks a lot better already. You know, all this dust and brown black staining, I guess you could call, is all off really. She's all ready. Just gonna let her dry for a little bit before we re-oil it. Other than that, we just gotta be patient and let it dry. We let it dry for about like a day, just because I was pretty busy, so I might as well just let it sit here. So it's completely dry right now. So what we're gonna do now is pour some this blue oil into here. I'll put up a chart of what your model slash what you need, but for the N55, I know that you need about 33 grams. So I'm gonna fill it to the mark and then start spraying it down and laying it out. I'll probably put you guys on a time lapse of me just, you know, pouring it down, because it's not that hard. So just like that, ladies and gentlemen, she is coated in this oil, and that is a beautiful blue color. There is definitely a difference, but I think it will change a little bit over time now that it needs to dry. But overall, in my opinion, looks super great. As you can see, it's a little like spotty in other places, and all just because really it just needs to dry, but 100 times better than what it used to look like before. So I'll see you guys once we reinstall it on the car and show you guys how it looks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Here is the filter, nice bright and blue. It looks amazing. Honestly, it might even just look as brand new or even better than new. Anyways, she's been drying for about say a day and a half, and I think the recommended is about like 30 minutes or up to an hour. So pretty sure we have sufficient time. The only thing left to do is to slap this bad boy back on. So coming back over here, here is the car. She's all ready to go, wheels on, torqued, everything, just charging the battery a little bit. Almost full. So we're gonna go ahead and slap her on, see how she looks. Engine bay's a little dusty, but don't mind that. Brand spanking new. I feel like the rest of the car is so dusty that it makes it even pop even more. Like, it might not even look dusty. Probably you could see on video, but it's really dusty. But it looks good. So that concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to pick up this cleaner kit, I'll link it in the description. But relatively easy DIY, and it could save you a lot of money besides, you know, buying new filters every time. But another good idea is to buy 2 filters and clean one out and rotate, and then that would be a perfect setup for you guys. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.